I made this trash fashion dress out of excess packaging and wore it at Debris-Free Ocean Zero Waste Miami event. I wanted to share how you can make these paper flowers at home. You just need excess packaging, tape, scissors, and glue. Make sure you cut them into 4 squares. They all don't have to be the same size, but somewhat similar. Then fold the square diagonally and then fold it in half 2 times, like making snowflakes, except you're cutting just a semicircle shape, so then it looks like petals or kind of like hearts, and you need 8 petals on each paper layer. Then you're going to cut a slit on the bottom layer and then fold it so it kind of curves, secure it with tape, and then for each layer after, you're going to cut 1 extra petal. So the third layer is going to have 1 petal off, tape it, stack it on top. Third flower has 2 petals cut off, curve it, tape, stack it on top. And then the last one, you're going to cut 3 petals off. Same thing, curve and tape it, but keep that third petal layer, roll it up. It's going to be a little extra too long, so you may actually want to cut the tip of it so that it won't stick out when you stack it on top of the flowers, like that. And then you're going to get your glue and glue the center of the third layer to the bottom 4th layer. Do the same with the second layer on top of the third and the first one. Or actually, I guess it's 5 layers because you had to get that extra 3. My bad. So that tip that you cut off, yes, just do the ends of that and glue that one right on top. You may have to lean it a little to the side so the glue can hold. This is another flower, but I also cut the between petals so there was a little more negative space and cut the corners so that I could curve out, but make sure you press onto the petals so it has that blooming effect for the flowers. That's what really gives it that extra look and feel of a flower and not so paper-esque, if you will. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.